Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 8, Power Query Challenge Consolidating Data. Consolidating data in Power Query involves merging multiple datasets into a single cohesive dataset, a common task when dealing with data from various sources or different periods. To start, import all relevant datasets into Power Query. Use the Append Queries option to stack data from tables with identical structures, effectively combining rows from different tables. If the tables have different structures but share common columns, you can use the Merge Queries option to join them based on a common key, such as an ID or date column. After merging, ensure the data types are consistent across columns and remove any duplicates or unnecessary columns. Finally, apply necessary transformations like renaming columns, filling down missing values, or unpivoting columns to achieve the desired consolidated format. By following these steps, you can efficiently consolidate data in Power Query, making it ready for analysis and reporting.